Day 3 at the Magic Kingdom. It's our last day. We're heading out. Crowds have been really more than we thought. Touring plans had yesterday, I think it was rated Epcot as a 4. It ended up being like an 8. And then we ended up having Magic Kingdom the day before was supposed to be a 4 and it was a 6. We're seeing a lot of crowds early today. So, you know, it's day 3. We've been going all day for the last 3 days. So we're gonna probably take it a little slower today, have a little fun with it, and just remember where we are before we take off tomorrow. But yeah, no complaints. I mean, we are at the happiest place on earth.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.
The one good thing about rope dropping is that you get these moments where it's just wide open and you feel like you own the park, and that kind of makes the day for me. Look at this. Wide open. It's fantastic. Mine just exploded. I had this mug and mine just exploded when I put coffee in it the other day. The big premiere was just last night. There's been a lot of buzz about it. I wonder when we're gonna get the first reviews. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be amazing. So is this just a journal and inside all there is I am Groot, I am Groot, I am Groot? Wide open. Because all the people are rushing by. I'm just amazed. This is fantastic. I would love to have like the monorail running around the Christmas tree. Does anybody do that? That'd be fantastic.
Hey, Bill.
The one thing about Magic Morning Hours is it just really light traffic. I keep saying it over and over again, but if you like rope dropping, I mean, I think that's what it's all about. Is just getting here and getting the jump on things before the crowds build, before the heat builds. Have a little coffee, sit and watch some people. I have no idea what that is. Is it a rabbit? Look at that thing. Like, it looks like a rabbit, but little ears. He's late for a very important date.
Show him your larboard side. Belay there, you forecastle swab. And now, you bilge rats, do I hear 6? Who makes it 6?
Just after a rain, everybody diving underneath anything and everything that covers you. But it dried up pretty fast. It came and went. The crowds are unbelievable today. Woo-wee. We're gonna shoot left and see if we can't get down this little Tomorrowland alleyway. It runs back here towards Tomorrowland Terrace and then it just shoots out over by the ice cream shop. Nice quiet little spot. So that's where you sit where you want viewing for the fireworks. And it looks like Tomorrowland Terrace is not open. Once more into the fray. The reveal. It's like you go from Tomorrowland, futuristic, and then it just reveals, and like you go through like a reveal here, and then poof, back out into Main Street, USA. Hitting Starbucks for a second, and it is slammed. Rain, getting your soggy feet.
I know.
It is raining, or was just raining like crazy. And then we thought maybe we would time it, get out in front of the crowds a little bit, and it actually worked out good because the rain just died down a little bit. We're heading back to the hotel for an afternoon break, and then
Don't be sorry.
oh, a little shaky there, sorry. King Triton is a ripped old man. I think. How old is he? I mean, do we have like verification of his age? And why does he have to be old? Does it matter? If you're like a god, is the age of, you know what I mean? Can't you be an age you want to be? I don't know. Definitely got to do more research on that. I may have been overthinking it a little bit.
Just put a cupcake.
Which one?
Cupcake.
Okay. What's this one here? The cake pop? Sorcerer cake pop? You think it's the same as one we had?